So this is the Agility Chaser software. This will be your home screen. Once you've recorded, you'll have the icon on your desktop. Double click on there. We've got a couple different templates. We've got sport court options. You can color code any color combination that you want. We've got field turf background, gym floor, or black rubber mat as in a weight room. The moves are number of moves of the sequence. The speed is how fast a sequence moves, and then you can choose your sets, change your rest intervals. You can also have a speed increase within the sequence, and you can make it random or non-random. So this is kind of the first template. We've got a 5-cone. The athlete will move to the cones, ideally straddling them. You can also have them touch the cone with their hand, straddle the cone, bend down, touch it with their hand. You could have the athlete get to a cone and jump. You could slow the speed down, get to a cone and get back, work on first step. This is a gymnasium floor setting. You can use cones or discs. You can also use multiple areas of cones. So if you want to train a team, get 4 or 5 sets of cones, and then just change the sets. And if you need to, you can change the rest intervals in between. This is what that would look like. Again, this is 5 cones. For basketball, you could throw in dribbling a basketball while doing these agility drills. You could also do closeouts, slide steps, zone defenses where you get somewhere and get back. To change the cone configuration, just click here. We'll go the weight room floor option here. Here I'm just going to show you what the speed increase is. It's kind of a good pre-test option, or if you want to do a conditioning test where it gets faster and harder for the athlete to keep up. Just change the speed real quick here. So the speed will be noted here on the screen, and you'll notice that every 5 moves on our default, the speed will increase 0.5, but you can change that as well. Now if you want to create your own options, just hit the new button. You can choose your color of background or your background image. We'll just do a gym floor again. To get your template here, right click to drop a cone. We'll go court with a cone. Just do 3 cones here. And then you want to left click on those cones and create a sequence. Ideally you'd make a bunch of them. For this, we'll just make a handful. Then you want to save it. So we'll just call this a diamond. Save it. Now the tricky thing is you have to return if you want to open it. Go to open it up. Now because I only made a handful of moves, we don't have the option of choosing more than what we made. We can change the speed, we can do number of sets, and we can adjust that speed. We could make the speed up, increase it 1 every 5 moves. It's up to you how you want to use that. This is what we just made. Doesn't take long, pretty easy. You can get creative with your templates. You can create any type of configuration you want and have the athletes do any types of moves. You can have football players do drop steps and back pedals. Volleyball players can simulate passing or blocking. We even have wrestlers go on all fours and bear crawl. So it's up to you as a trainer to choose the type of moves, the speeds, the number of sets. If you want to do a speed increase, if you want it random or non-random, choose rest intervals as well. Pretty easy stuff. Thank you for learning more about the Agility Chaser.